Hello everyone! So today I finally, after a long time of waiting, got the first shipment, the shipment of printed copies of Arduino for Artists from Spark, the company that printed them. So I'm gonna unbox them here for the entertainment of all my donors and supporters and other people. The book actually has been available to purchase for the last month or so, but I have been waiting on getting the donor copies to send out to everyone who donated to the Indiegogo campaign to actually take a look at a copy myself. So this is actually the first time I've seen a printed copy of my own book. So let's crack this bad boy open. Let's see what we got. And there we go. Well, it looks great. Printing quality is excellent. I don't know, something about just being able to see my name on the spine, that's really great. But yeah, here it is. You got all the stuff that I wrote for this book that I wrote. Yeah, it's just really awesome to see an actual physical book that I wrote. I wrote all of this. It's 285 pages long. It's a lot of pages. You got some high qual original button artwork showing you how buttons work. I took almost all of these photos myself on the same camera that I'm filming this on. And yeah, so it's a book, and I wrote it, and you can buy it. You can buy it on Amazon. You can buy it eventually through various other retailers. You can buy on Kobo or Amazon Kindle an ebook copy. We still have a introductory 30-day sale going on that only has a couple days left, I believe. So if you want an ebook copy, make sure you snap that up as quickly as you can. So thanks to everyone who helped me get through the publishing journey on this. Thanks to all of my supporters, everyone who bought a book during the pre-sale. I'm going to be working on getting these shipped out as quickly as possible. So in the next day or two, hopefully yours should be on your way to you. Thank you once again to everyone. I'm super proud to have made this, to have written this thing. So thank you to everyone for helping me do it.